It is adventure time yet again, my favorite thing to say. For my good buddy Dan Stone, we're going ice fishing at Panguitch Lake. There's actually a bunch of people here, but they're all on the other side of the lake, so we thought we'd come try over here. But,
we did really well here.
Yeah, we did really well here
Off
in
the pontoon and kayaks.
Yeah, back in the
had a lot of fun,
early fall. So
my second time here.
I'm excited about it. It's cold. It's flipping cold. But hopefully we get into some fish.
Yeah.
Tried a few different things. We got a bunch of poles. This is Stone set up. He made this sled. So got the tent, heater. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get into them.
Once we get in there, it'll be warm.
Yep. So here we go. We'll do some test holes.
Ice is plenty thick.
Yeah. Let's see how deep the water is. The depth. How deep are we?
9 feet.
Should be good visibility. Should we try it? Are you marking a tons of fish so far?
I'm not any yet, but
yeah. Yeah. We'll finally up and going.
There's a fish down there.
Yeah.
Let me get this all set up.
Yeah, there's a good one down there. Yeah, he's already had one on, so going. We get into a few. We're seeing fish, so he's already had one. So he's got one. Oh, hey, he's got one. Right at the bat. Nice little rainbow. Yeah, mealworm on it, or?
Yeah, mealworm on it. Just a little tube jig. See him?
Good job, Dan Stone. Little rainbow.
Thank you.
Huh. Well, Dan's not gonna be skunked.
Yeah, the skunk's gone today.
Yeah.
Don't smell it.
Nice.
Bad
little pointer.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll take that.
Right. I'll get set up and go myself. Excited. Stone just hooked up a bigger rainbow. Before I've even got my stuff ready, he's already. That's a nice. Oh, gee. Woo! Back in the hole.
Did you get him?
Nope. There he goes. Yay! It's one way.
Chunky tuna.
That's 2 for Dan.
That's cool. We've marked 3 and caught 2 of the 3.
Yeah.
So that's good.
I'm finally getting going. I'm starting up with this little balanced ice leech. Dan's caught 3 before I even have one in the water. So, I don't know. Hopefully we get into some. At least I get into some. Dan's always a magnet when it comes to ice fishing.
because I just fish with bait.
I don't know. I might tip it if it doesn't work. I'll cheat. Yeah, there's our tent clear out there. I had me a little mishap. We drilled a whole bunch of holes and put the fish finder in the middle one, and then he moved it over one and I forgot, and I went to open a window when he had a fish on to let the light in, and I stepped in it and sank all the way to the land down under. So I had to go change because I was soaking wet. So it was pretty cold. So anyways, I haven't caught a fish. I have no idea how many he has. He had caught 4 by the time I even started to fish. I only fished for 30 seconds before I sank up to the berries. So anyways, get back out there. Oh my gosh, look at that! Holy crap! Oh my gosh, I couldn't get my camera out in time. Oh, well.
Oh, he's huge.
Oh. Holy cow!
I gotta get a picture of this guy.
Yeah, I need to get all the windows open and get some more light.
Holy cow. Oh, I barely had him. Look at that. Barely.
That thing is, oh man, that is a monster. That's bigger than any cut we caught back in the by far. Look at that thing. That thing is ginormous. Cool.
That is awesome.
Wow. Yeah, wow.
Let me get a. Can I get you to take a picture of it too?
Man, that well done. That thing is a.
That thing's a big.
That's a big. Nice.
That's awesome.
Holy cow! Well done, Dan.
That was awesome. I'm gonna be smiling for hours from that one.
That was a,
Yeah,
that was a
biggest fish I caught, even from off the kayaks
Yeah.
and stuff. That's so cool.
Oh my gosh! Well done. What were you using?
Just a tube jig, tipped with a mealworm.
Millworm.
I have mealworms if you want to tip your
Yeah, I
tube.
might have to. Oh, well done.
I've got tons.
I haven't caught a fish. Of course, I've been out of commission for 45 minutes.
Too.
All right, awesome. Well done.
Thanks, man.
Well, Dan just hooked him another good rainbow. That's a chunk.
Look at that. We've been seeing some big fish too. We just can't hook them.
We had a really big tiger just swim under us. I put on a balanced minnow. I've had 3 mouth it, but I have not landed one yet. This is number 10 for you?
Yeah.
It's killing it. Well done. Chunky little rainbow.
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, yeah, nice. Go away. Well done, Dan.
About ready to.
I've gotten multiple hits on this balanced minnow, but I've yet to actually land a fish with it. Once I just looked over and it was swimming away. But yeah, I just had about a 10-incher take it, but he took it from the head end, and so he did not hook. Eventually, I am going to get a fish with it, I hope. Because Dan's caught 10, I have landed 0. That's just the way it is. Dan is awesome. I am pathetic. He is good looking. I am unattractive. Look at that guy. Look at that dude. Yeah.
That's not even.
And we're going, oh, Stone's got him one. Another one. Oh, nice chunky rainbow. That's a fatty.
Yeah, that's my biggest rainbow, I think, today.
Oh, look at that guy. He got a chunky belly on him. The tube jig with, what else do you have up
Chub,
with?
chub meat.
Chub meat.
Yeah, I tried chub meat.
Here we go, Stone. He's up to 11. I'm still nada. It's alright. It's a spectator sport.
That's a pretty rainbow.
That's a pretty rainbow. Look at that guy. Swim away. Dan's on fire. Well, I wouldn't say he's on fire, but he's caught 11. That's not a bad day.
11's good.
Well, I'm finally on the board. I switched to the classical balanced bruised leech. Gotten some love with it. Had a balanced minnow down there and hooked a really big one. I was trying to get my camera out to film it. It got off. This is the first fish I've actually landed. Dan has caught, what, 13 or 14?
Oh, not even.
13.
I wish you'd share. I'd
13.
Like to catch one.
Oh, yeah. Yep. This is the first actual landed fish for me. Little rainbow. I'll take it. Come here, dude. It's cold. I don't want to.
Down there.
Swim away. There's another one down there?
Yeah, I just marked another one.
Oh, cool. Getting to fish again. It's about time. Jeez. Little rainbow. There you go. Little rainbow. Dan's got him. Looks fighting pretty good. So it's probably a good one.
Oh, that's pretty, like, I don't know. It's probably just a fat rainbow, but. I wasn't even looking.
Oh, geez. Oh, that is a good rainbow. Chunky.
Nice. Chunky rainbow.
Well done, Dan.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Nice rainbow. This guy, Dan Stone.
Yeah, that's fun stuff.
So we're at, what, 15 now?
Yeah.
That's
a good one.
That was a good one. Well done.
How big is he? About
14,
14, 16?
15, probably. 15 inches.
Yeah.
Maybe 16.
Yeah. I'll take that all day. That's fun.
Good job, Mr. Stone.
Thank you. That's a good one.
3. Not ginormous fat though. Yeah, check how fat he is.
Oh yeah.
He's dangling.
He's a
People
dangler.
get mad that I'm dangling a fish.
It's all the rules are different ice fishing.
Totally different rules. The cold allows them to live longer out of the water because their metabolism is slowed down. I caught it on a balanced Canadian black with an orange head. It's a, what's his name? I forget his name. Rolly. It's one of his patterns. It's an awesome pattern.
Nice.
Get back in the water. There he goes. Well, once it's in the water, it is actually balanced perfectly, but the water in the tail makes it so it's not. That's only fish number 3 for me. I've had multiple takes, but I'll take it. Slow for me. Dan's at like, what are you, 15?
I can't remember.
Anyways, we're losing our light. Dan has him one on. It's a decent rainbow.
Yeah, not bad.
Chunky little rainbow. More light. There we go. Well, it definitely comes in spurts.
I almost got it.
Nice. Well done.
Thank you.
Yes. Stone's got him another one. First one of the morning. It's down this little guy.
He's huge. What are you talking about?
He's
No,
massive.
he's little.
He's massive. Little rainbow. Hey.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Well done, Dan Stone.
Yeah. You had a big one on, or to come look at yours, right? So there's still some good ones in here.
Yes, he did not partake. He was right there on it, though. Yep, nice. Well, I just missed the whole crazy fiasco. I hooked this guy on a balanced bruise leech, and he swam under and got tangled up in my other line.
And he came up my hole.
And he went over and went up Dan's hole over there. Then Dan hooked one, and then he hooked another one. So we had 3 fish on. Big old tangled mess.
Yeah, it was a mess. But it was very exciting.
Let this guy go. Swim away, buddy. Yeah, that was nuts. That was a kind of a disaster, actually. But, oh well.
Kind of fun, though.
Caught a little fatty.
That was a good one.
That was fun. Yeah, it was a train wreck. My line rolled. It's a knotted mess, but oh well. You got it.
You win.
Oh, Dan has him on. Is it good? Oh, that's a good one. Another big cut.
Nice. Oh, it's a cutthroat.
Another big cutthroat.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, did it break off, or hey, you can see how big it was.
Yeah, he was nice. He was good at
That was
18,
good.
20.
Yeah, that was a good one. Well done. Dan with another little rainbow. Hey, Fatty.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Chunky guy.
Sorry for the crappy filming. I forgot all my stuff that I attached this camera to, so it's all handheld. That's Fat Rainbow.
Yeah.
This little guy.
Good.
He's got what, a little tube jig.
Yeah, tube jig with some shrimp on it, actually.
Timp with a little bit of shrimp.
That's getting out without killing him.
Nice. Swim away, buddy. Nice, good job, Dan.
Yeah, I think.
Just turned off my camera and he already hooked one on his other pole.
I got tangled around my fish finder.
Yep, he's tangled. Not as big. Yep, he'll take it, right? Yep.
Alright.
Another little rainbow.
Same
I
thing.
literally turned it off on his last fish and I was like, oh, I got another one.
Come through in pairs, apparently. There we go.
Go away, buddy.
Cool.
2 in a row.
Two in a row, just like that. Oh, Kendall got one.
On my minnow. And the balance tui chub.
Oh, the tui chub.
Been kind of dead for a while. We're kind of. Yeah.
It's finally good to get one. Another one on the ice.
I was just sitting there lightly jigging it. Oh, come on. You're so close. Just... There you go. Nice little rainbow.
Yeah, he's chunky.
Yay! Down the hole you go, buddy. Hooray!
Thanks for playing.
I'm going spurts. That's got another chunky little rainbow. I just missed the same tiger trout on both my poles. I went hit one and then went hit the other.
Really?
And then Dan hooked this one.
Sorry, this is harder than it looks, I guess, to release. There we go.
Huh, that came out.
There you go.
Nice rainbow.
Yeah, fat.
Swim away.
Yay!
Yeah, it definitely comes in spurts. Like
Yeah,
he'll be
for
dead,
sure.
and all of a sudden we'll get into him like a spurt. So hopefully that will continue. Little heater buddy, now it's roasting in here.
It feels so good.
I'm dying actually. I gotta lose a layer. No, we're having fun though. It's fun. Yeah, I just caught this rainbow on a Canadian black balanced leech. Oh, not an awesome release.
There he is. He's beautiful.
A+ on my release, I know. I'm gonna hear that. If I put this in the video, I'm gonna hear that from all the way to handle the fish. I attempted to handle it better. I failed. Sorry. Got me a little rainbow on the Canadian black. Whoa! It's a little guy, but I'll take it. Oh, and our tent is collapsing! Hooray! We're in a hurricane all of a sudden. Little rainbow. Canadian black with a... Actually, it's a CBO. It's a Phil Rowley pattern. Canadian black tied with an orange head. And it's a great pattern.
Down and
Well, why I'm letting this one go. Dan caught another one over there.
He's very
He's a little bigger.
Great. He is very energetic.
Oh, there goes the tent. Having a fight. We thought about staking it down better, but we're not staying much longer, so.
There he is.
Nice rainbow. Well done, Stone.
Yeah, thanks. Nice.
Fun.
Fun.
You're having fun. It's hard fighting this tent with the wind, though.
Yeah, gosh, this wind, I wish it would stop.
Keeps like caving in on us. We push it back out. Anyways, it is a different trip now. We were gonna go ice fish in northern Utah, but we decided to come back to Panguitch. So we're just gonna add this to the previous video, which was done. I just didn't publish it because I knew we were coming back. This time we're fortunate enough to have Greg. Yeah.
Howdy,
Dan.
howdy.
Back with Dan.
Hey.
We're pretty much in the same spot where we were last time because we went to the other side of the lake, but there's tons of people over there, so we figured we'd come here away from the people. So we're already marking fish. Dan hooked with one.
I had one right to the ice hole.
He had one right to the ice hole right off the bat, so it got off.
It was huge. It was probably 5 pounds.
Stone with the fish.
Come on, baby.
Oh, that's one that falls off.
I've got my drag set way too light. That's why it's taken a while to reel it in.
It's a good one.
I don't think so. Maybe. But it is one. That's all I care.
Oh, that's a chunky one.
Yeah.
A little rainbow.
Oh, I got him wrapped around my
Uh,
transducer.
there you go. Nice.
Nice rainbow.
Tube jig tipped with shrimp.
Yeah, that just took a second once that shrimp dropped. It was good.
Well done.
Thank you. I just had my first bite.
You did.
Nice fish.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, Greg with his first one of the morning. Little planter looks like.
Nice
Just
fish.
take, it's still fun. Tube jig tipped with shrimp, right?
Chub.
Chub, oh, tipped with chub meat.
A little cutthroat marking on it.
Cut bow. There it goes. Well done, Greg. And with another fish.
Oh.
It's a good one, or?
Can't tell. It's probably just a spastic rainbow. You know how those rainbows are.
I was gonna open that window, but I don't want to mess it up for you again.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a chunky rainbow. That's a nice one.
That's a great one.
Oh, that's nice.
Fat rainbow. That's a great one.
Can you open up your other windows?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice rainbow.
That is
That's
dark.
Yeah, that's
How
dark.
dark he is.
Yeah, you can't even see him on the camera, actually.
Yeah, I'll hold him. Maybe I'll hold him.
Yeah, nice. It's a nice, pretty rainbow.
Yeah. It's so dark.
Come on.
Oh, we got two Greg's on too. Greg's so excited. Look at him, look at him.
Woo!
Is that a good one?
It's pulling.
Shrimp?
There we go.
Did he get off?
Nope.
Shrimp on that
Shrimp.
one, good?
Yeah, it was on the shrimp.
That's mine was.
Feels like I'm on somebody else's line.
Yeah, mine's moving. My line.
Uh-oh. I better get mine out.
Oh, I lost him.
Oh, you did?
Did it
Bummer.
break your line?
Yeah.
Yeah, bummer. Wonder what it was.
It felt good. It felt good.
And with another chunky bow.
Oh, that's a good chunky one.
Yeah. Big one. Yep.
That's a nice bow.
Well done, Mr. Stone.
Thank you.
In the hole he goes. Excellent. Dan with a nice little cut. That's a good cut.
Yeah.
From one hole to the other hole. Put him down that hole. Oh.
See?
Yeah, nice.
Nice fish.
There you go. It looks like Dan's got a good one.
Well, I got one. I don't know how good it is yet. It's running like crazy. Oh, I'm wrapping around.
Oh. You want me to reel this one in?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold your other pole.
He's a fat rainbow.
Yeah. I gotta let, you're caught on this pole, so. Holy crap, that is fat. Whoa, nice. Nice,
Wow.
solid rainbow.
That was great.
I gotta turn that sonar thing off. I'm like,
That's cool.
that's a chunky dude.
Yeah.
That's a solid, that's a nice, really nice rainbow.
Yeah.
Well done. Nice.
That's cool.
Yep. There you go. You want to undo your. I never get this camera turned on in time, but Greg just got him a little rainbow. Jig tipped with shrimp. Flipping around. There he goes on his own. Yeah, he made it. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, the chunky bow Dan's got. Nice one.
Wow. That's nice.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice rainbow.
Nice.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah. Alright. Yep.
Yep, very nice. Ooh, Greg got a little rainbow. Yeah, pretty little guy. Well done, Greg. Yeah, it's been kind of slow. Just had a fish cop drive by on a snowmobile, and I guess it's been slow all over the lake. So, well done, Greg. Greg with the fish.
Nice one.
Got a nice little cut. Ooh, that's a nice cut.
It's a big cut.
Here, Dan, we'll hold that over there. Nice cut.
Oh, get out of there.
Whew. Good job.
And
Down the hole she goes. There he goes. Looks like a male. Nice. Well done, Gregorino.
that's good.
That was good. Well,
There we go.
our adventures come to an end. We did so good. Well, I should say Dan did pretty good. Greg did okay. I got my rear end
I got
handed
stuff
to
to
me
put in
hardcore. Like it was rough for me. I got some takes, but only pulled one fish from the ice. It was bad. How many did you catch, Dan?
12. Not very good.
It's fun, though. It was a good time. Well,
I got 6.
try to come back up here, probably hit ice off if we can,
Yeah.
on the kayaks and pontoon boats, and maybe getting some big fish. We saw a couple. We caught a couple of decent ones, but oh, it's fun. It's fun chilling in the tent, making bad jokes. Greg saying nasty things and funny things. Anyways, it's a fun time. We're gonna walk back to the truck and we'll head on our way home. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Oh, be sure to like and subscribe for good karma.